Pharmaceutical Intelligence Insights Report, Q4 2023 to Q3 2025. The data reveals two primary areas of regulatory risk. The first is a chronic systemic failure in internal manufacturing and quality. The second is an acute emerging issue in external marketing. This indicates organizational failures. CGMP, current good manufacturing practices, is the dominant issue. The root cause is not paperwork, but a fundamental failure in verification. This is seen in quality controls accounting for 73% of CGMP citations. Laboratory controls is one of the most cited subsystems. The most common lab failure is testing and release for distribution, accounting for 47% of lab subsystem citations. The final gateway check to ensure product safety is the most frequent point of failure. The quality unit is failing to catch errors. Production record review accounts for 52% of record-keeping citations. Batch records are not being properly reviewed before release. These issues appear rooted in foundational flaws, with organization and personnel being the single most cited subsystem. Design and construction facility. Citations point to plants that may be non-compliant by design. The second major risk is in the packaging website category. The risk is not in physical packaging, but in digital marketing. Website. Citations account for 55% of this group. The Q3 2025 spike in total citations is driven by 92 website citations. This indicates a sudden, aggressive regulatory sweep against online claims, establishing it as a new, high-priority compliance area to be monitored. The deeper problem, reactive culture. Citations persistently recur across laboratory testing, procedures, deviations, production record review. This pattern reveals a reactive compliance culture where procedures aren't consistently followed, deviations are poorly managed, and commercial pressures override quality standards. Prompt actions recommended. 1. Urgent laboratory assessment, review staffing, qualifications, and release procedures. 2. Production record review process, enhanced protocols, supervisor training, accountability. 3. Marketing review, assess promotional website activities pending compliance overhaul. 4. Organization and personnel task force, address hiring, training, and culture gaps immediately. Bottom line. This is an organizational crisis, not a compliance problem. Fundamental transformation of people, infrastructure, and culture are needed. Technical fixes will fail without addressing systemic root causes in organizational capability and quality leadership. Clarity, confidence, compliance. Our baseline compliance assessment gives manufacturers a clear, data-driven snapshot of their current state against FDA requirements and industry best practices. Start with a quality system baseline compliance assessment and take the guesswork out of regulatory readiness.